How do you get the most out of Mathchops? Start by playing the level challenge. When you beat this game, your level goes up, and every other game on the site adapts to your new level. If you're having trouble beating the level challenge, play one of our other games to build your skills. Our category challenges target specific areas through short games. Diamond Dash helps you with time pressure. And if you want to target specific questions, you can always create your own quiz, choosing from categories like System of Equations, Mist, and Starred. When you've mastered the questions that are blocking you, go back to the level challenge and try again. With your new skills, you'll beat our games. And because every Mathchops question targets the most common skills from actual tests, you'll beat your tests too.